In this video, you will learn how to set up a basic item at the point of sale using your tablet for NCR Silver. First, select the category in which you would like to add the new item, then tap the plus button. You will need to enter the item name, then you will need to enter the sales price. You can also choose to prompt for the price at POS. Attach the correct sales tax category, then tap Save. As your tablet reconfigures, you will see your new item pop up on your sales screen. You have just learned how to add a basic item at the point of sale using your tablet with NCR Silver.